Hello friends, this is Vishal. Taking some online course is really important. Basically, our level of expertise is based on our knowledge and skill set. And people invest a lot of time working and have no time to improve their skill sets or learn new ones. Having good amount of skills makes you climb the ladders of success in your profession faster. So, taking some online courses of your particular field would be very helpful. First, identify what all skills are required to be a more improved and productive person in your job and take online courses on it. You can grab Udemy courses for 400 to 500 rupees, and also there are a lot of courses freely available on YouTube. There are also courses available on Coursera. But make sure the person who is providing the course is a genuine expert in the field, has good reviews. Only then take the course. Analyze yourself on what all skills you possess and what level are you on all those skills. Also, identify what skills you do not have and your job might demand those skills after some time or also in the present time. First, try to identify it yourself, then ask your colleagues, ask your seniors, ask your boss. They will tell you what all skill sets is required to achieve greater potential. After analyzing, you must try to get into the advanced level of the skills you possess and start with the basic level on the skills you do not possess and gradually move towards the advanced level. New people will take your job if you are not improving and advancing. Your skill set should also be up to date and latest. Try to improve your skill set. Try to expand your skill set. You can take courses to achieve those targets. Your communication might not be good. You will find those courses on different platforms and then start the course and then sit for 1 hour continuously, and you can complete the courses in this lockdown period while sitting home. It is better that you learn something while quarantine rather than just sleeping or binge watching and waste this opportunity. So you can get these courses, complete these courses, make notes out of it, implement what you have learned. You will be able to achieve a lot in your particular field after taking those courses during this lockdown phase and have something to show when you rejoin your office. It puts a great impression that you have spent time improving yourself and is eager to learn.